Hey everybody, Tom here from Army Roofing. This is our latest project in Burnaby, BC. As you can see, this roof has been condensating really bad. Look how wet this plywood is. This roof is like 10 years old. One of the reasons why is we found a heater vent here coming out one of the roof vents. And then here's the bathroom fan vents. As you can see, there's no pipes in there. So somewhere inside the attic, there's a lot of hot air getting in there, and it's causing the roof to condensate. And that's what's making the roof leak. It wasn't an actual leak from the exterior of the roof. And they also, whoever did the roof 10 years ago, didn't replace the bottom shiplap boards. It's got a big giant hump there. It's one of the worst we've seen. This is all 1/2-inch plywood. We're hoping that it's still good. It feels pretty solid, so if it dries out, then they're in good shape because plywood is very expensive right now. Yeah, this is absolutely terrible. So make sure if you're going to get your roof, get it done right. Call Army Roofing or visit us at armyroofing.com for a free estimate. Don't go on Craigslist or Kijiji and that looking for a roofing company. Check Google reviews, Better Business Bureau. Do your research. Otherwise, you could be this could be you. 10 years old. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep prepping the roof, clean it up, let it dry out, and see how bad the plywood is. They didn't even stagger these top 2 rows here, as you can see. The plywood joints line up. It's absolutely horrible workmanship. So be very careful when you hire a roofing company. If you're in the Delta, British Columbia area, call us at 778-686-7663 or visit us at armyroofing.com and fill out a submission form on our website. And we would be happy to contact you and come out and provide you with a free quote on your roof. So this is video 1 of this. We'll make another video with an update. Look for that tomorrow. Bye for now.